Hey, what's up? I'm back. This time with a launch alert in collaboration with Apollo Tyres, and that's one Indian tyre manufacturer that has been making tyres rain in our market. And of course, I've been taking particular interest in tyres because I've had few back punctures in the recent days and I'm looking for a good tyre, and because tyres are, of course, a critical element to fuel economy.
So what the last 100 years of driving has taught us is that along with turning off the aircon, the only other way to save fuel is to have the right set of tires.
So studies, not PowerDrift studies, good worldwide studies show that a good 20 to 30% of fuel consumption in your car is actually tyre related. Who would have thought? And since nobody really loves saving fuel as much as you and I, we Indians do, we think we've got just the right tyre for the job.
Welcome to Launch Alert by PowerDrift, and this time we talk about the Apollo AMAZER XP. A new age tyre from a new age brand.
The AMAZER XP, I think it's one of those tyres that works hard. It burns the midnight oil, it works in silence to save you that very last drop of fuel, and it does that every day, I think. So it's kind of like having a good accountant.
One of the main highlights of the AMAZER XP is its best-in-class rolling resistance, which obviously helps in boosting the fuel efficiency.
In case you haven't paid attention in your physics class, let me tell you all that it's the rolling resistance or rolling drag, also called as rolling friction, which is the force that works against the motion when something is rolling on the surface.
Actually, I did pay enough attention in physics class, and so I can tell you the exact definition of rolling resistance for tires. And it is defined as the measure of force at the axle in the direction of travel required to make a loaded tire roll. Simple.
Wow, you never cease to amaze me with his arrogance. Anyways, a tire which has high rolling resistance, drag resistance or friction resistance, well, that tire is just going to convert the mechanical energy of the car and its drivetrain ratio into mere heat. And since first law of thermodynamics states that you can neither create energy or destroy, and we all know that, well, your car then with a high rolling resistance tire ends up consuming obviously more fuel.
Unless of course the tire in question is the Apollo AMAZER XP, which is specifically constructed with a low rolling resistance compound. And I'm guessing you don't really need another physics lecture to figure out how a low rolling resistance helps in saving fuel.
And by the way, if you thought that I was climbing up to the tire, I'll have you know that the low rolling resistance of the AMAZER XP is one of the reasons why Tata Motors has decided to short one of their electric vehicles, guess which, the Tigor EV with AMAZER XP.
And many more BS6 cars like the Renault Kwid, the Hyundai Grand i10 Neos, the Datsun Go and Go Plus. You can even go to your nearest Apollo dealership and get a set of brand new AMAZER XPs for your Honda Amaze. See what I did there? AMAZER, Amaze, AMAZER. Anyways, big shout out to Apollo Tyres for being the official tyre partner for Manchester United. I digress. So fuel efficiency aside, a big challenge that tyres have to face is the challenge of providing the optimum ride quality and comfort on Indian roads. Roads that sometimes don't even exist. For example, the road that we just took to get here. And for that exact reason, we now have sipes on our AMAZER XP. Before you start wondering what sipes are, no, sipes are not what you get when you stay in the pool for too long. Sipes are these little tiny grooves that have been cut into the tread pattern of the tire that give it that added edge. And in this case, they're helical. So they give you that added edge and comfort.
So you seem to know an awful lot about tires for a guy who doesn't know anything about physics.
As a matter of fact, I'm currently doing my PhD research in suspension mechanisms, so I ought to know a little bit about physics. I thought you knew that.
Well, we knew it, everyone knew it, I knew it, and I think that's that of what we want to talk about the AMAZER XP tires here. Thanks a lot for watching a launch alert on PowerDrift. We're going to see you again very soon, but before you go, well, here's wishing you all the best for your never-ending battle against efficiency. What do we do of all the tires here now?